I don't like anybody rubbish my baby.
Lórí òyìnbó mẹ́yìn mi, Olúwa, ọpẹ́ wa.
The last crew of Queen Lateefah, is no matter the answers in our eyes. This will actually be, we need all of you to just bring out your phones. To bring out your phones, upload your social media, take a picture. Hello? If all of us here tonight take a picture and say, watch out for Queen Lateefah, it will blow your mind. Can we do that? And please, everybody, can we post a picture tonight and say, watch out for Queen Lateefah, it will blow your mind. So, that's what of things you wanted to do. This is like, I won't lie to you. I didn't think you would have things in this room. But the only blew my mind. I'm excited, I'm grateful, and I'm happy for you. Congratulations.
And there was no connection, nothing. I just knew the office and I went to the office. I shared my vision with Mr. Ogajon, the CEO of Cinema Distribution. And Mr. Ogajon took me in with Oyeka. I just gave the synopsis because I have the story written by Kennedy Joseph. Kennedy Joseph, I love you. We were on this story for 2 years. I should have talked to him about 2 years ago. But the story was not ready until after 2 years. I was not convinced until we kept going. I walked into the office, I shared my dream. And Mr. Okwai was like, okay, we'll get back to you in a week's time. And the following day they got back to me. Come, let's have a meeting. And that was the beginning of God. I want to say a big thank you to God Almighty, to my team. I don't know. Oh my God. This is not for me. This is for us. This is for every Nigerian youth. This is for adults. This is for our mothers. This is not just for me. I want to say a big thank you to all the cast and the crew of Queen Lateefah. My director, Captain Betty, Mr. My director was for the points, and every time
Mommy, I think I go to the video. Where are you going? Go to the video. Go to the video. Mama, stop. Mommy. Take your picture and after you will think about the President General. Photographers, can you go? After three, we'll take it out. 1, 2, 3. Take it out. Around the bus, ladies and gentlemen. President General, let's go.
Wumi Toriola, ẹni tó ti ń báyàn ṣe movie tí gbogbo ayé dẹ̀ ti ń accept dáadáa ni. Then what do you expect from such a person? Big thing. Ló gbọ́dọ̀ expect látọ̀dọ̀ ẹni yẹn.
Wumi Toriola látìgbà tí ó ti ń ṣe sinimá, látìgbà tó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣe sinimá tí ẹni mú mí nù. Àwọn tó bá ń tẹ̀lé bọ̀ wọ́n á mọ̀ pé kò ṣáà ń ṣe sinimá ṣá.
Queen Lateefah is a good film torí pé Wumi Toriola kò ń ṣe nǹkan tó kéré. Kilarigbo TV on YouTube àwọn náà ti wà tipẹ́ ọdún ni wọ́n kàn ń ṣàìmọ̀ fọlọ́pọ̀ gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ pátápátá in entertainment ẹ bá ti gbé Kilarigbo tẹ bá ti search ẹ ní YouTube ẹ rí gbogbo ẹ̀ ń bẹ̀.
Lateefah, my sister.
How many countries did you get to travel to? Where did you go?
Few cities like Milan, Tokyo.
For real?
I graduated from the Greenwich Marketing Postgraduate Program.
Hello, I'm in Paris, so I didn't still around. It's like if it's
You live in Bodilon Towers, right?
Yes. Lagos is an opportunity disguised as geography. Welcome to the center of excellence, the Nigerian capital of dreams come true.
Queen Lateefah.
Lati.
No, it's just laugh. We just can't
Deal. If you want to drive Rolls Royce 2024, just knock on the door of Engineer Rishi.
Minute to 12. 1 minute after 12, but you pay another 300,000.
Lateefah,
Why did you have to humiliate her like that?
is this true?
No.
Allegedly, there's women and there's women. Oh, I have seen this type before. I smell a rat.
Oh, I don't like anybody rubbish my baby.
lórí òyìnbó mẹ́ẹ̀mí olúwa ọpẹ́ wa. mo máa lọ́ọ̀dẹ pa èyí ẹni tó mu gàrí mo máa lọ́ọ̀dẹ pa.
You make me laugh. You make me hope. Your face is the first image that hits me every time I wake up.
Kilarigbo TV, ìkànnì amúlùdún àkọ́kọ́ tó ń gbé àṣà àti ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ Yorùbá lárugẹ.